Powerful daily use sentences. Do you struggle to speak English daily? Don't worry. In just 3 minutes, you will learn 50 powerful daily use sentences and practice them with me. Let's start. Go, went, gone, eat, ate, eaten, come, came, come, see, saw, seen, take, took, taken, give, gave, given, make, made, made, do, did, done, write, wrote, written, speak, spoke, spoken, read, 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 run, 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 buy, bought, bought, bring, brought, brought, think, thought, thought, teach, taught, taught, catch, caught, caught, sleep, slept, slept, keep, kept, kept, feel, felt, felt, leave, left, left, meet, met, met, sit, sat, sat, stand, stood, stood, lose, lost, lost, win, won, won, build, 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 send, sent, sent, spend, 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 find, found, found, hold, held, held, hear, heard, heard, say, said, said, tell, told, told, sell, sold, sold, pay, paid, paid, break, broke, broken, choose, chose, chosen, drive, drove, driven, fall, fell, fallen, forget, forgot, forgotten, get, got, gotten, or got, grow, grew, grown, know, knew, known, ride, rode, ridden, ring, rang, rung, rise, rose, risen, shake, shook, shaken, sing, sang, sung, swim, swam, swam,